Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to create a footer in GeneratePress. First, navigate to the Appearance menu in your WordPress dashboard and activate the Elements module. This powerful feature allows you to add custom content to various areas of your site. Next, we will explore using the Hooks element to place your unique footer content precisely where you want it. To add custom content, create a new element and select Hook. For the footer, choose the Generate After Footer hook location. This ensures your content appears after the main footer area. You can then insert your custom HTML, shortcodes, or even simple text directly into the editor, giving you full control over your footer's appearance. Once your content is in place, you can style it using custom CSS. Navigate to the customizer and add your CSS to adjust colors, fonts, and spacing. Remember to set appropriate display rules so your footer appears on the pages you intend. Always check your footer's responsiveness to ensure it looks perfect on all screen sizes, from desktops to mobile phones. For more intricate footer designs, explore using a block element instead of a hook. This allows you to build complex layouts with Generate blocks, offering greater flexibility and design options. You can create multi-column footers, add dynamic content, and achieve a polished look. Remember to check the description for links to other deals, and of course, for those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.